John out of my DS Diving. I'm here with the boat See You Later. Today is October 3rd, 2023, and I'm going to do an after cleaning video for you. You have a through hole on this back right part of the boat, and they have these little rubber stoppers, I guess, to stop stuff from getting in, and one of them is jammed up. I tried my best to get it unjammed, but I couldn't get it, so I'll show that to you. Sorry about that, I got my line tangled up on something. I'm going to show you the other side. Alright, thank you for choosing DS Diving.